If you want to browse X, formerly Twitter, more privately, or you just want to open it in a fresh session without your saved history and cookies getting in the way, this quick tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to go incognito on x.com or Twitter in just a few seconds. It's simple, fast, and works in most modern browsers. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me know to keep making helpful guides for you. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open any browser on your computer. This can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or another browser that supports private browsing shortcuts. Once your browser is open, the next step is to turn on incognito mode. On Windows, you can do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. So hold down Ctrl, hold down Shift, and then press N. As soon as you do that, a new private window should open. In Chrome, this is called incognito mode. In some other browsers, it may be called in private browsing or private window, but the idea is the same. This mode helps keep your browsing sessions separate from your normal browser history, so it's useful when you want a cleaner login session or a little extra privacy. Now that the private window is open, go to the address bar at the top and type x.com. Then press enter. That will take you directly to X in your incognito window. Once the site loads, you can sign in if needed, or just browse as usual. Because you're in a private window, this session won't be tied to your regular browser history the same way a normal window would be. That can be especially helpful if you're using a shared computer, testing account access, or simply want to keep your browsing separate. If you want to make sure you did it correctly, look for the incognito indicator in your browser window. In Chrome, you'll usually see a dark themed window and an incognito icon. That confirms you're not in a normal browsing session, and that's really all there is to it. Open your browser, press Ctrl, Shift, and N, then go to x.com. In just a few seconds, you'll be browsing X in incognito mode. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.